Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Welcome to online class of SST. Yesterday we were reading chapter 9 Celebration of National Days. I told you student that we celebrate many festivals with our family and friends. Some days are celebrated as national days all over the country. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti are the three national days. We also call them national festivals. Now, today our topic is Independence Day. Independence Day in India is observed on 15th August every year. Every year 15th August it is celebrated as the day of happiness and feeling proud as India got independence from freedom British rule on this day. Independence Day is marked as an important day in Indian history. It would be not wrong if say that is the birthday of new and free India. Some of the facts behind the independence of India and Independence Day are as follows. On midnight 15th August 1947, India got freedom from the rule of British Empire that has ruled the country for around 300 years. Independence Day is national holiday in India and celebrated with enthusiasm in schools, colleges, offices and various other places. The official ceremony of Independence Day take place at the Red Fort. There was no official national anthem during the time of first Independence Day. When India got independence, there were total 562 princely states and Sardar Patel and other leaders negotiated and incorporated these kingdoms to form India. Independence Day is also celebrated in USA on every 15th August as India Day. Independence Day is a festival to celebrate freedom of the nation. India is one of the fastest growing countries in the world. It is a land of diversity where people of different caste, creed, religion, culture and belief live together. India is a country where there is unity in diversity. India is the biggest democracy in the world that celebrates its Independence Day on 15th August of every year. Now let's have a quick recap. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. India got freedom on this day in 1947. Every year on this day, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. My dear kids, today your homework is write a paragraph on Independence Day. It's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.